So develop a topic sentence that clearly state your controlling idea. Okay? Develop a topic sentence. So if you talk about topic sentence, no? This sentence, kumaga, mura siya, isa lang di siya sentence gali class kumahimo nga. That would talk as an overall, overview din mo tanan nimo sa imong topic. Okay? That would clearly state your controlling idea. Next, review your list of causes or effects and delete minor errors, minor or confusing details. So, mostly, mo magining kahitabo gyud. I don't know for some, but there are others, no? Students or most of us here, okay? Diretso-diretso ta mo buhat kay tadani sa kanang magbuhat og paragraph or essay, no? Ato na lang din siyang pang kuan dito i-erase ato siya dito or ato rin siyang kuan kaning what you call that one pasagda la okay na siya lagi, no? So you have to make a draft, no? So that okay, after nimo kana siya pinakauna nimo sulat, draft pa ni siya. So after makabuhat na nimong draft, you read it once, twice or thrice kung mahimo. Ano man, so that once pag ni mabasa nimo ni, no? So there will be realizations no masulod pa rin si mong huna na di ay, no? Kinahanglan ni siya walaon. Okay. Di ay kanina siya is kanang kulangan akong thought ani. So or pwede na ko siya nga laingon ang term pero dili siya suitable nga akong gibutang ani, di ba? So ingana siya, you have to review always. Okay? No? Review gid nimo perminti kinaamong gyud mga butang class ka kinahanglan walaon, kinahanglan ato pud siyang dugangan kung mahimo. Okay? Next, we have the read your paragraph aloud and consider these questions. So, no? When reading aloud man good or it's up to you ba sinili ka mismo ako class, no? Dili ko makasabot class kung when I am reading aloud. Okay, mag-basa ko. So, I am just reading it with my eyes lang. So, para another strategy, no? Para basin dahil napakay makuan di ay pud madugam. Okay? So, read your paragraph aloud or silently and consider these questions. A. Does my paragraph have a clear topic sentence? If naa, or if kaya pa nimo nga itrohon, i-revise, so revise that one. Okay? B. Are causes or effects clearly stated and supported by facts, examples, and other evidences? No? Kung kani kaha siya is effective, kani siyang evidence. Kani ba kaha is kinahanglan pa siya another example? If yes, so go for it. Diba? So those are mga guide questions, class. Now, okay. These are the graphic organizers shown for you to better understand the topic. So, pwede man na ninyo class, di ba ninyo ganina nga kaning before you know, magbuhat paragraph, pwede nyo makabuhat o graphic organizer for you to be guided more. Diba? Okay. So, cause and effect. No. The single cause, the multiple effects. So, isa ka cause, and then, there must have a corresponding effects that tulo siya kabuo. No? So, nga na. Pwede po siya, isa ka effect na ay tulo ka causes. Okay? So, another thing, we have multiple causes, and then the multiple effects. So, if we talk about multiple causes, multiple effects, so, no? As you can see, there are 3 causes here. No? And then there are 3 effects also. So kada isa ka cause directed into isa ka effect. Isa ka cause also second cause another effect and ikatulo ka cause na napoy another effect. Okay? Next, alternating causes or what we call the domino effect. So in a domino effect, okay? The cause. So of course, unsa ka ang cause na kung buhat, unsa ka ang cause ani nga topic, no? So by that cause, what do you think is the effect to that? Diba? Okay? Ang saka ang effect niya, ana. Now, with this kind of effect, okay, unsa ka iyang cause, no? Make sure nga kaniya is dili magbalik-balik, dili siya lahi siya nga causes, no? So, kato siya, unsa ka cause kaha, diba? Now, kani ba kasad siya nga cause, unsa ka iyang possible another effect kaha na pud, no? Murag domino siya ba? So that, kung imo siyang matanawan kasi, murag, para sa paragraph bitaw nimo siya naa siya transition. That's why we have transitional words or signal words. Okay? So I hope it is clear. Are you still following with me? Okay, can you type it yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you type yes if My voice is loud and clear and you're still following with me. If no, if there you have questions, clarifications, and violent reactions. Okay, very good. Keep your answers coming. Okay, we have Justin, Chrisan, Mary Claire, Jo Marie, Nino, Kirk, Razel, Chariz, Hero, Yara, Arnel, Kabogsa, Vinzel, Mara. Okay, so I can see that you are following with me. Okay. Now, class, these are the signal words for effects and signal words for causes. So, again and again, so if there are signal words for narrative, for classification and definition, we have also signal words for effects and causes. So, these are helpful words in transitioning your paragraph. Kani sila. Because, consequently, for this reason, hence, in consequence, so much, okay, so that, therefore, thus, okay, for signal words for causes, as, because, being, that, due to, for the reason that, in view of, in as much as, one reason, owning to, seeing that, since, okay, so mauna sila ang mga cause and effect signal words, okay, so questions, clarifications, or violent reactions? Let us now proceed to lesson 5. Sir, mura makakadali, sir. Okay? Remember, next week is already our examination week. No? So we will finish this one. Okay, lesson 5, the problem solution. Okay, the problem solution. So for our lesson objectives, okay, recognize problem solution in a written text. Okay, and then construct a problem solution paragraph. For a while, class. Diyan yung mga bata ni. Naalagi na kasulod lagi nga kuan, nga taga ABM, agoy na siguro giyatagan og link. Agay nagyatagan siguro ang link no sa Crash. Kaya ingon ko nga mention lang na excuse me, okay? So, kato siya class ha? Oh yes, CJ Salarda. I think you are not, why are you entering from this class? Okay, let's continue. Murag nasayop si CJ. Okay. So in terms of problem solution class, okay, we talk about problem solution, no? A problem solution pattern organizes ideas into problems and proposed solutions, okay? So in a paragraph writing class, okay, what you're going to do is to state a problem, di ba? So of course, lisod po matawag na sa problem solution kung walay problem nga i-mention nimo dira. Okay? Now, you're going to have a problem, no? Imo magsulat about sa what is the problem all about, and then, okay, make sure that the problem section class, okay, includes the what, who, when, and where. No? Mauna siya. Ang pagkasulat nimo diha sa paragraph is kung pag-istorya pa lang nimo sa problem, no? Pag-expose pa lang nimo sa problem, naana ni sila ang kanila nga may elements. The what, who, when, and where. Okay? So kana siya, okay? The why and how of the problem. So the other part then presents the major effects of the problem and the possible solution. So once imo na siyang na-introduce ang unsa ang problema, di ba? So of course, you have also to take into account the major effects, okay, of that problem. Now, kung once na-mention mo ang unsang problem all about, unsa yung major effects to the problem, so you have to state na dayon ang imuhang possible solutions to that problem. Okay? On how to address it. Okay, ano siya. So, of course, steps in implementing solutions. So pwede siya mo kumbaga imo siyang step by step pag implementing solution, di ba? Kung no for the COVID-19 kaha to para malisa lesson kung sa kaagibot sa government. So of course to follow the protocols given by the government, set by the government, di ba? Nga na siya. Isa ka step na siya. Of course, by having a vaccine, nag-appeal sila og trial, okay, para na makuha ang sa mga Filipinos no, na vaccine. So those are just steps in kumbaga solving the problem of COVID-19. So ingana siya class ang problem solution paragraph writing. So I have here an example for the problem. The financing healthcare in the Philippines is inadequate. Okay? So the problem here is the financing healthcare which is inadequate, no? So what is the solution to that? So the Philippine National Healthcare, okay? Healthcare insurance, okay? Provide medical care to all citizens or to all citizens, no? So mao ni siya ang ilahang solution to provide medical care to all citizens because of this no kaning inadequate in terms of financing health care.